Welcome to the Vitamins and Nutrients YouTube channel. Today we are discussing protein. Protein is a macromolecule composed of amino acids that play essential roles in various biological processes, including building and repairing tissues, facilitating metabolic reactions and transporting molecules within cells. Proteins are made up of chains of amino acids linked by peptide bonds, and the sequence and length of these chains determine the protein's specific structure and function. Some proteins are structural, some are enzymes that catalyze chemical reactions, some are hormones or signal molecules, and others are involved in immune defense. They are essential for the growth, maintenance and repair of tissues in the body and are critical components of cells, tissues, organs, and the overall organism. The recommended daily intake of protein for the average adult is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. For a sedentary person, this is approximately 56 grams of protein per day. However, this can vary based on individual factors such as age, gender, activity level, and muscle mass. Athletes, pregnant women, and individuals who engage in physically demanding work may require more protein. It is best to consult a healthcare professional to determine a personalized protein intake recommendation. If you are trying to build muscle mass, a higher protein intake can be beneficial. The exact amount of protein needed for muscle growth can vary depending on several factors, but a general guideline is to consume 1.6 to 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight per day. For example, a person weighing 70 kilograms, 154 pounds, would need 112 to 154 grams of protein per day. It's important to remember that while protein is an important factor in muscle growth, it's also necessary to engage in resistance exercise and adequate calorie intake to support muscle building. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized nutrition recommendations. So is there a difference between animal-sourced protein and plant-sourced protein? The answer is yes. Animal-sourced proteins, such as meat, dairy, and eggs, are considered complete proteins, meaning they contain all of the essential amino acids that the body needs but cannot produce on its own. Plant-sourced proteins, on the other hand, are often limited in one or more essential amino acids. However, by combining different types of plant-sourced proteins, such as beans and rice, a complete protein can be obtained. Animal-sourced proteins are also generally more easily absorbed and utilized by the body, while plant-sourced proteins may contain other components, such as fiber and complex carbohydrates, that can affect digestion and absorption. Additionally, animal-sourced proteins are a source of saturated fat and cholesterol, while plant-sourced proteins are often low in these components and can be a healthier option for those with heart disease or other health conditions. It is important to have a balanced and varied diet that includes a mix of both animal and plant-sourced proteins to ensure adequate nutrient intake. Are protein supplements as good as food-sourced protein? Protein supplements, such as powders or bars, can be a convenient source of protein, but they are not necessarily as good as food-sourced protein. Food-sourced protein, such as meat, dairy, eggs, and plant-based sources, provide not only protein, but also a variety of other nutrients, such as vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Additionally, whole food sources of protein often contain fewer additives and preservatives than protein supplements. However, in certain circumstances, such as when it is difficult to consume enough protein through food alone, protein supplements can be useful in meeting protein needs. It's important to note that protein supplements should not be used as a sole source of protein and should be used in conjunction with a balanced diet. Consulting a healthcare professional can help determine if protein supplements are appropriate and what type and amount may be best for an individual's specific needs. Good food sources of protein include meat, poultry, and fish, such as chicken, beef, pork, salmon, and tuna. Dairy products, such as milk, yogurt, and cheese. Eggs, whole eggs or egg whites. Beans and legumes, such as lentils, chickpeas, black beans, and peas. Nuts and seeds, such as almonds, peanut butter, chia seeds, and pumpkin seeds. Soy products, such as tofu and tempeh. Whole grains, such as quinoa and bulgur. Protein-fortified products, such as protein-enriched pasta, bread, and oatmeal. It's important to have a variety of protein sources in the diet to ensure adequate nutrient intake. Additionally, incorporating both animal and plant-sourced proteins can provide a balance of essential amino acids and other nutrients. Symptoms of protein deficiency, also known as protein energy malnutrition, can vary depending on the severity and duration of the deficiency. Some common symptoms include weakness and fatigue, muscle wasting and loss of muscle mass, decreased immune function, leading to increased infections and illnesses, slow wound healing, edema, swelling, due to fluid buildup, anemia, low red blood cell count, irritability and difficulty concentrating, decreased appetite and weight loss, dry and thinning hair and skin, brittle nails. It is important to note that protein deficiency is rare in developed countries and is usually a result of a larger underlying health condition or a diet lacking in overall calories and nutrients. If you suspect you may have a protein deficiency, it is best to consult a healthcare professional for a proper evaluation and treatment. Is it possible to have too much protein? Yes, it is possible to have too much protein in the diet. Consuming excessive amounts of protein can lead to health problems, including dehydration. High-protein diets can increase the need for water and lead to dehydration. Kidney damage. The kidneys have to work harder to process excess protein, which can lead to kidney damage over time, especially in individuals with existing kidney problems. Calcium loss. High-protein diets can increase the loss of calcium in the urine, leading to decreased bone density and an increased risk of osteoporosis. Liver damage. Excessive protein intake can lead to the buildup of metabolic waste in the liver. Weight gain. Consuming excess calories from protein can lead to weight gain, especially if the protein is from high-fat animal sources. The recommended daily intake of protein varies based on age, gender, and level of physical activity, but a general guideline is to aim for 10% to 35% of total daily calories from protein. It is important to have a balanced and varied diet that includes an appropriate amount of protein. Consult a healthcare professional for personalized nutrition recommendations. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more informative videos like this one.